same. Just son. All the same is I want to play with you all the time, huh? Want to play with me all the time? Want to play? It's like the kids. It's like I have morning pimple. I have big morning pimple. I feel so ugly. So ugly. Pimple, it's so ugly. Yeah. I have only one pimple. Tia! Ayan. Maraming salamat. Kasi I haven't prepared. Yeah, but I feel bad. I feel bad. I feel bad. I feel bad. Si Idol. Hindi yan. Hindi naman Idol. Dong Stevie. Dong Stevie. Guys, please visit to Dong Stevie. This is also live stream. Is my friend. She's doing 2 live stream also. So please visit to Dong's TV. Nag-live, ano oras ka mag-live, Idol, Dong's TV? You're welcome, Idol. Tuloy na. So, prank ka na. Magpakraga tapos ayaw. Yes, thank you so much, Idol. Okay, sige, Idol. Pag ano kita mamaya, daan ako sa live mo. Come here. Tinan mo, papansin. Papansin talaga. Messenger, Idol, Messenger saan? Sa YouTube? Saan? Paano mag-message? Meron bang Messenger ang YouTube? Di ba? Facebook? Nakapag-message ba sa YouTube? Hindi ko alam yun. Nabasa kasi bago pa eh. Hindi ko pa alam, kinakapa-kapa ko pa yung kinakapa-kapa ko pa yung ang aking channel. Kung ibigay mo. Akala ko naman pwede mag-visit sa Akala ko pwede mag-visit sa YouTube. Akala ko naman yun. Ay, nako. Guys, Dong's TV, please visit. Please visit to Dong's TV. This is also live stream. So later, she's also doing live stream. Later. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Ayan, thank you, Idol. Dong's TV. Maraming salamat sa panonood at magandang umaga sa iyo. Wala kasing ilaw, madilim. Pinatay ko yung isang ilaw doon sa likod.